Welcome back to the MCAT Biology Pulse podcast. Today we're diving deep into one of the most high-yield and complex topics, the immune system. At its core, the immune system protects the body against foreign invaders. It operates in two main arms, innate immunity and adaptive immunity. The innate immune system is our body's first line of defense, fast but non-specific. Innate immune cells include macrophages, which engulf pathogens through phagocytosis, and general phagocytes, which patrol and destroy invaders indiscriminately. Pop quiz. Question. Which immune system acts first during an infection, innate or adaptive? Answer: innate immunity. In contrast, the adaptive immune system is slower to respond initially but highly specific. Adaptive immune cells include B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. B cells are responsible for humoral immunity. They produce antibodies that neutralize pathogens. T cells are critical for cellular immunity. They directly attack infected cells or coordinate immune responses. Pop quiz. Question. Which adaptive immune cells kill infected body cells directly? B cells or T cells? Answer: T cells. The immune system is supported by specialized tissues. Bone marrow produces all blood cells, including B and T lymphocytes. The thymus is where immature T cells mature and learn to distinguish self from non-self. The spleen filters blood, recycles red blood cells, and mounts immune responses. Lymph nodes serve as hubs where immune cells meet pathogens. Pop quiz. Question. Where do B cells mature? Bone marrow or thymus? Answer: bone marrow. Pop quiz. Question. Which organ teaches T cells to recognize self versus non-self? Answer: thymus. Now let's break down how the immune system identifies threats. Antigens are molecules found on pathogens that trigger immune responses. Antibodies are proteins produced by B cells that specifically bind to antigens. Through antigen presentation, phagocytic cells like macrophages digest invaders and present pieces of them on their surface via major histocompatibility complex, MHC, molecules, signaling T cells to take action. Pop quiz. Question. Which molecule presents antigens to T cells, MHC or antibody? Answer: MHC. An important concept here is clonal selection. When a B cell or T cell encounters its matching antigen, it rapidly clones itself, creating an army of specific responders. Antigen-antibody recognition is highly specific, like a lock and key. The structure of an antibody molecule includes a constant region and a variable region. The variable region is what binds specifically to the antigen, enabling precise targeting. Pop quiz. Question. Which part of the antibody binds to the antigen, constant or variable region? Answer: variable region. A critical challenge for the immune system is recognizing self versus non-self. When this system fails, autoimmune diseases occur, where the body mistakenly attacks its own tissues, as seen in diseases like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. At the heart of self-non-self recognition is the major histocompatibility complex, or MHC, specialized proteins that display antigens and help T cells judge whether a cell is safe or dangerous. Pop quiz. Question. Autoimmune diseases result from failure to distinguish which self from non-self or innate from adaptive. Answer: self from non-self. Summary time. The innate immune system acts fast and non-specifically. The adaptive immune system is slower but highly targeted. B cells and T cells are the adaptive warriors. Tissues like bone marrow, thymus, spleen, and lymph nodes support the fight. Antigens trigger the alarm. Antibodies neutralize the threat. clonal selection ensures precision in battle. Together, these systems form a powerful network that protects against millions of potential threats, a system that is elegant, complex, and absolutely crucial for MCAT success. Thanks for tuning in to the MCAT Biology Psych Pulse podcast. Remember, this episode is for educational purposes only and should be supplemented with trusted resources. For a deeper dive, check out our new MCAT Mastery series, From Cells to Systems, 2nd edition, available now on Amazon.